Hey, what's up traders? It's Chris here from Grindstone Trading. I just wanted to shoot an ultra quick video here showing you guys my trades today, and it's going to be, again, very quick. I only did 2 trades today, so it's going to be a very fast video. I had stuff going on most of the day, wasn't able to do any afternoon trading, just at first thing in the morning here, and I caught 2 awesome trades that were big green winners for me today, and I just wanted to go over them with you guys right now and show you what I saw and how I took these trades and why I was so confident in them. So first and foremost, we have RIDE, R-I-D-E. This one has been taking a bit of a beating as of recently after the short report. I think it's going to do a very big recovery here, but the choppiness has been really good for scalping, so I've been watching this one a lot. So ultimately, right at open here, tanked right off at open, bottomed out here right around just a little bit above 15. Then what I liked, and I just happened to be watching this one in FCEL right at the same time. This one had a huge green candle. A lot of buyers were stepping in to pick this one up. 7:54 my time, 9:54 trading time. Peaked out right here. Then it dipped back down and turned around here. And ultimately what I was seeing here is higher lows, and I was taking a gamble that the next high, if it broke 20 SMA, was going to be a higher high. So I waited for that 20 SMA break here, which at the time when it broke was right here on the option price. Now I play options that are just outside of the money with strike prices that are just above where the stock is trading at. So I was trading the $16 call option expiring this Friday, so in 3 days here, because I find they move the most. And if you can catch a move in the stock price, upwards or downwards, you're going to catch a very dramatic move in that option price just simply by watching what's going on with the underlying. So what was going on here? We had a big green candle. We had a nice high, a dip, turned into another low. We now had a higher lows pattern that we could play. On the 20 SMA break, I bought right here at, what did we buy at? $85 a contract here. And we rode that all the way up and sold right up here at $98 a contract. That was a 15% move right off the bat here. This was hold for about 20 minutes basically, and versus a 3% move in the underlying. And this is exactly why I've been getting so into option scalping as of late, because the percentage gains, if you're right, are much bigger. So by playing this one the way that I played it here, it was very low risk, and it turned into a very profitable trade for me, a 15% trade versus a 3% trade had I been playing the underlying. So next up we have FCEL. FCEL was a fantastic stock for a lot of this year here. It's been having some troubled time lately, and earnings is more or less tanked it. I don't have the overnight stuff happening in here, but this is where it closed yesterday. This is where it opened today. So it took a definite tank off of earnings. As many of you know, earnings dips, offerings dips, this is sort of my forte. I love these dips because you can catch stocks when they are extremely volatile, and scalping becomes incredibly simple. So right at open here, we had a lot of buyers interested. Boom, shot right up. Came right back down to where it started from. Kind of a flat bottom here. Then it moved up again, obviously not as high or dramatic a high, but then when it bottomed out again, it was showing support, ascending support here. Kept going up and up. It wasn't dropping to the same level it was before. So when it kept rising, as soon as it broke 20 SMA on the 2-minute chart, this is just how I play. Once it broke there, I was very confident buying the call option. Again, I'm playing call options that are just out of the money. It was trading at about $15.25 a share, and I was playing the $16 call options expiring in 3 days here. So I bought the 20 SMA break on this nice green candle here. What was going on down here at the time, I was able to get these at $69 a contract. Rode it all the way up to $98 a contract before I sold. Could have even gone a little bit further here, would have gone a little bit over $1. I think it peaked at about $1.15 or something like that. So I actually sold a little bit too early here, but still a really solid win on what ultimately was a 20-minute hold. Very solid. That was, I wrote it down here, that was a 42% move in the option price versus the underlying price, where this whole move from here to here was really only about a 5% move. Again, this is precisely why I'm playing the options scalping now, because when you have a high win percentage and you're winning more of these than you're losing, your gains can be absolutely substantial. Absolutely substantial, and so much more so than playing the underlying stock, which is a good strategy too. But part of it, for me, part of the reason why I'm doing this is living in Canada. We don't have commission-free brokerages, so we are paying a percentage every single time we buy or sell something. Anybody who tells you there's actually commission-free brokerages in Canada is straight up lying to you. They all charge something. Whereas a lot of places have actual true zero commission brokerages where you can buy something and sell something, but you don't actually, you either win or you lose. But a loss in Canada means, like, let's say I lost 10% on my money and I'm paying 1% per transaction. I paid 1% per transaction, then I lost 10%, then I paid another 1%. Just using simple math, you're losing 12-ish% on your dumb move. And as such, your gains are lower too. So a 5% move would have only netted me 3%. The 3% move I showed you in Ride early would have only netted me 1%. That's not substantial. I want to, when I'm right, make substantial gains, and when I'm wrong, still stop out at a place where I'm not going to have lost my shirt. So that's essentially what I've got going on here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this super short video, and best of luck for the rest of the week, guys. Take care.